What's the meaning of convert? Convert. Convert.
Convert. Convert. The term convert refers to the process of changing something or someone from one form, function, or purpose to another. This can include converting units of measurement, file formats, or even religious or political beliefs. The result of a successful conversion is that the original item or subject has been transformed into something new and often more useful or applicable to a particular situation. For example, converting a PDF file to a Word document allows for easier editing, while converting to a different religion may involve a significant shift in values and lifestyle.